scale mining. The problem has been with how Ebimu come without license, without any regulation, no marco sense I see. Nanum Nina, Nedo Mumuja Konje Ghana Sassi to my
right.
And to say a good year be womb, Naina Ebenya Son Faswa. I was said the people of Ghana so any the right over it.
Yeah.
But Ghana for na pay right over it. You near butre. Ubia tam ne kra no akwa kogina baabi was hana a good no aye ne basa na o say so na effect so batima mu for krona so
right.
So last time I met a couple of them and I was telling them say look as simple as ABC I had to say there more National Media Commission me believe that the approach to solving this matter should not be a total ban or suspension on all my mining activities no because your Crawford almost also boka cotton machines mutu agudie na they reclaim the lands
right
omundi din ko obia fu omundi din ko nsu obia mu so the approach should rather be say why ye bebo awura wo site obu raso say nsu uni license uni documentation on ade na wo ye no oye unregulated ye mpamo but ye ba akokwa site na sa akokwa ye ne bibia within the remit of the law on say nsu on say a fool on ye bibia otu amna okata so oye ne bibia kama abra any effect bia wo yeah sitting mu then akokwa should be allowed to mine. It serves as a good example say the ono abetena fia fe de komode no na ka mene no obo te say me koto bulldozer no na fe mitu na me kata so na menya masum bia ya adwuma de why not comply with the law
right
then we are all safe. But Olampi omunyina bom dia then there is a difficulty because the oil right and wapam no the oil wrong thing wapam no then it becomes a problem meaning so what you say it is a media National Media Commission made them example your station almost sorry inside tribal sentiments your station almost sorry attempt DD so ultimately can say because of stations be ADD attempt you close it down all media houses Insure FM na juma decently so you allow Insure to work then it serves as an example. Say, if you work within the law, you have your peace of mind to work.
Right.
Meaning, say, what you say. So, in that light, but I insist, say, Yentimin now, Emma Brofo me fa, ye former goodium co at the detriment of the citizens.
Right.
Na yebia asan akose yesre omomuma ye loans yesre omomuma ye grant no mo de nhye asan beto say oba ne oba nana wa amakwan dia ene mema no what you say that is my simple position on it.
All right now yembra wo asweye they say e kosen then e koso e was scholarship secretariat meaning say nan say obesia very transparent obia ko interview kama menti so obia ka say na metua adamudie bi ansana obia fa system ni mu e kosen
enti said e na no me ba me bo wa mane no ye be ya santimante mu yakobu no a couple of the regions this week. You started Eastern region, you started Central, Upper West, any other regions. No, me no cause teams no grounds are or more EDBBA go akoma me nim say by this time be about saying ekobo 9 until me show say interviews are starting other regions na BBA course. So yeah, try ni mu say nche. You better and say free interviews no na afi yeah selection you selection na then you better start your payment. Largely no BBA course kama yente pinchen. Me science su bi wa say Ghana Scholarship Secretariat yenje application fee and yenye sika bia. I've said it time without number. Enti mo amusori amoba me inbox mu ena obi a create page bi wa waje usika. Me kan o TV so me kan o radio so. The moment obi be catch a scam you should know it's a scam. Enti now go say na scam you don't come back to oba me wa me den.
Right.
I've said this time without number. Say yenji sika yenji application fee yenji hwe it is free it is say obi ebe tato no ka say tua bibia that in itself should tell you say nipa ne person was scamming
okay
meaning say what yenji tua sika don't go and pay the money and come back and complain misremo
right
okay
matter now bibi wo ho apese ehumahun krata bebreze o chen kwaku ba ko
easy
en krata be no
you see nana okaya
ko fu manya scholarship ana
there be men komodi amedi kan no obedi ye no na ya about me buy ne de me beto so
right
na eka de bubruja onim
na kelantua kra be
kelantua nyina ba mu na nse unhu se na US ne UK for train abo so me no cause only last 2 weeks was the last week radio your student Bawku got deported from UK US for mitua ye payment and by ye payment na UK VI for say too late
oh
nti waba but the school no better issue cash for from an area apply for visa now
okay
but me person who say mu ayedin we mistake to be an deported student and then yes sika no so sebe me this year I can't UK nko 1 billion Ghana cedis but my budget I mean for the entire year was 174 million cedis and do 200 impo and one am dey share scholarship beneficiaries we wiase afa na nyina
enye possible
enye what yes and one am dey share Algeria Morocco Serbia India China France Germany everyone may hear free in broso Sweden cry lady be so matches some person deporting and ma me na busu afo abereti out you get it asana local scholarships na nkasa wa ha UK US ni Canada and one sa kakra na me boss and one I was say me use to solve all these problems enti very challenging but me say year on year so no aban budgeter ma allocation to scholarship secretariat enti the question is sikana na bas scholarship secretariat afibiano how come say afibia budget we are supposed to work within the budget but all of a sudden no sikana ya hu kwan ya fa so ya say that use sikana but beneficiary so de ka kai mini secretariat na ma yedin say ewo amanone ena me say sadia there should be an audit.
Okay.
And the just the first phase of the audit. Yeah, audit no into Adebia Mihu say the former registrar created a friend short courses to UK.
Okay. Short courses.
Now interestingly no, so short courses no money company be a friend Crown Agents UK na no. And they neka.
Okay.
And no the Bawku kran na ho. One city cry nika ho.
There are short courses.
Short courses and they are nika ho that. But the akanyina the cat. To shall say majority and I say a chunk of the budget na neba ni ye pushiko UK but na enko regular scholarship beneficiaries in ho but it was being channeled through this program
in the name of short courses.
Eviasia fananyina ma menkyere wade bi ye frɛ bibi ye was scholarship regimes but scholarship bi wa allow ma wutimi do dependent joining.
All right.
But the dependent policy largely depends on the immigration policy of the country. It has nothing to do with Aban. Aban as a state agency. So, for instance, UK for no more immigration policy allows say if you are on scholarship now with UK, what me invite and how to me invite Oba and how to me invite on condition say. Usika same year usu betimi accommodate o man bi ti say Canada omo allow o man bi ti say US omo allow me say Trump buy na wasakra mu dia
Trump was a name
and I was sakra mu dia but I know of Canada I know of UK
right
but me akra me busuani me ma me mo last born ni kunu nya scholarship and no na government but they Commonwealth and no de be fa me ma me keto no call UK
right.
The expenditure now the expenses that comes with inviting with dependents no has nothing to do with government.
And you buy it.
And you buy mean so what you say.
So who the end is when your scholarship in co. So also go for bush and for you buy headache.
Then buy headache.
Right.
Una na kwadwo dwantoana wo wanya scholarship.
Right.
And wakotena bruche bia akoye PhD 4 years 5 years. And I feel say awo ho enti wo behia wo yere. Ho kanfo na awon ba bebra wahye so kakra na wo de akulu weda no
anya aban issue
den na wo se aban mum ene ebe bo wo yire ho ka se na kwadwo dwantoa esua de na disua na wo sua no ti me pese o se awon ye too much nti me bo ho ka na wakwadwo ne na kwadwo dwantoa na openhye so a waboa na mana hye so. How is that government business?
And the work community, a chess will be Yabiana.
Dear, of course, was secretariat one say, Ye Mawuna Nakwa Joan to a scholarship one. Near foul yere, near foul ma, not ya more as dependents, and your dependents no crown near you. Or you didn't know, mano, or visa processing need fees a year charging non secretariat in Nketiah. air ticket nyina no secretariat ni na etua na on top of that na ya sans wo twa stipend payment ay obi mu friend allowance say be say tua allowance dia ma wo
dia na koso
na na kwadwo jantoa ma me ma example classical one document we me de be ma wakan but ope kra na start kan free we confirm no but on say score document
okay, Scholarship, okay, Scholarship Secretariat. To whom it may be concerned, the Consular, UK Visa and Immigration Home Office, DSM, Madam, sponsorship letter. Peter Mensah, and about 1986, they say, time I won. Ghanaian passport number, blah, 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 blah. Gifty, Owara Owara Mensah.
Ode kanko. Kanko, nana janto kanko.
All right. We confirm that Peter Mensah has been awarded a financial scholarship by Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to study LLM law at the Brunel University, London, United Kingdom, which commenced on January 2022. The scholarship covers Peter Mensah and his dependent listed above, and it covers all students' tuition fees of 17,875 and living expenses of 16,008 per annum. It also covers his dependents, Gifty, Owara Mensah, spouse, living expenses of 8,160 £1,000, 8,160 pounds. Invoices and financial.
Okay, signed by who?
Kingsley Agyemang, Registrar of Scholarship.
Tinana Jantua. Oh, the near this can after Mammy Trum, Peter Mensah, Gifty Owara, Deputy
National Service
Director or National Service, and I said, who bars me? Yeah. On Munikum, any friend Peter Mensah.
Okay.
Now the mere fact say Peter Mensah has been awarded scholarship. So on concourse LLM will Brunel Nintino. Yes, scholarship secretary the Abansika. Sans was sponsor na yiri aye Gifty Owara wunim no. Yeah, the Sansikano SS sponsor which is 8,160 pounds. Convert the money.
Na 8,000 pounds.
Peter Mensah took one kusunya de. Na e was say na yiri Gifty Owara Mensah join and said they be awarding no obetumi ase. How?
Nti aban na echianika.
Na da wu ye wama ya committee secretariat ni say ye betua 8,000 pounds asa ma Gifty Owara because or kan ikunu ne nako. Ikunu na nya scholarship.
Date na ye date.
2022.
That's not pounds ni ye be say.
How?
Really?
And memos nyina kan wade wu ya na me ntwantro wa o. Memos for approval of the monies to be paid. Esie
Gifty Owara Peter Owara Mensah.
Peter Mensah omo ticketing any omo ticket cry scholarship secretariat in toy.
Really?
Figures in on 48,700. Yes, 48,000
from say all qua ye be mano say stipend no.
Yes, the ticket crowd they joining the no scholarship secretariat in TI. Bonebe na scholarship secretariat ai. Na students ankasa te ho yentua mu tuition yentua mu stipend na omo threatening demonstration but ya so obi ni na busuafo te said ye American lottery program.
Wow.
Where just a tip of it.
So the preamble and they say and yes son was a secretary and
there be how is that a business if I really sing we fan awo nana dwantoa o ye lecturer o apply for scholarship ye catch you say oyire ye be say to ask allowance ama oyire because ye hu su bi da because ukosua enwuma be di president of Ghana ha kran ka ye be man sa privilege no
nti you person wo yire na obusu ni kwa ye wo na bebo sa
that is your business. Meaning say nana what masia that is your business. How is that the business of the secretariat? Okay, nana dwantoa Gifty Owara dey say ye ketua bi in some of the cases ebi wo ho a senka obi ne yere kura ba ko pe na ekwa senka nya ye wo ebi mu wo ho a nana dwantoa omo ne omo yere ene omo ma ebi wa nipa be 4 ebi wa nipa be 5 odwene ho a onti ase hwe Nana Jantua. We okay visa application now. 10 years visa. Meanwhile, no acquire short course for 2 weeks.
But your Fabrami.
Any
Obwa, Maminkin Kamadi.
any
Maminkin Kamadi.
gift allowance on your boy and 128,000.
Hey!
As of that time, not pound is
128,000. 1.2 billion OCDs.
Yeah, the man.
Adanya, Nipnanya scholarship.
Sapra, not pounds is
16 cities.
What you say?
Na dollar na 11 as of that time.
And whatever Bawku come, I'm in Chile.
Into saying
1.2 billion OCDs.
And the man.
Yeah, the man, Adanya,
Uncle
Nikunanya scholarship. It's Ghana by a Nikunu Subida. It gives you a worry. Yabema was 128,000. Now you say to take it amount and you couldn't call. Now what in one? What Buana Manashiso? What to be that?
But that time in Anna, where you know from so one scholarship secretariat at Jumana Gifty.
There is no national service. Why a government appointee?
National service.
Why a government appointee? Government appointee.
Mamembra. Me who could be Mr. Daniel Mensah. Short course UK visa application for 10 years.
For 10 years, program here 2 weeks. 14 days.
For 10 years, I say.
Okay.
Now
Request for payment UK visa application. Reference to document attached in respect of the above subject and the directive of the registrar to deal with the invoices. Vibe Consult quoted the total lowest of 17,200. Vibe Consult is therefore being recommended for your consideration and approval. So the transaction and details below. Mr. Daniel Mensah, short course UK visa application for 10 years. I don't get it.
program here 2 weeks. Yeah, apply for 10 years visa now. Modi.
Say.
And today about him.
Oh, free Ghana hand so better.
About
short course 2 weeks in 10 years.
10 years visa. Meanwhile, so the longer the duration, no charges no cost.
And yet, Sabian can PhD program can is understandable.
A 2 weeks program.
And
short course.
And a short course in a 10-year visa.
And no more apply into India.
I don't know travel and toes.
Yeah, me ba mama me bin count.
Hey.
Na
the view. Include baby.
Enti ba bia sika no.
Abusia say we the other scholarship secretariat no Ira Safoje Mr. And no pay revelation wa ha. Na ne tofa ni nyina ne say na do dan kwa kufa do abran so. Owura Kingsley Ajiman na wo hwe so no. Enyoma bebre akoso a na emfa kwam sika ni bi wo ho a na emfa kwam na kwan yo mofa so yusu sika no bra wona no mu hia sika no kra wo mu su na o share short courses here and no timi ko UK ya ehun nsem na ko ye bebre eno hu revelation bi na ye maame ye ni aba Gifty Owara no ye deputy
or ye government appointee national service secretariat awo no betumi atua Niku enya scholarship so koye LLM nti Ghana ban mano allowance 128,000 Ghana cedis free Ghana ban say twa return ticket mano British Airways no akojoin Niku say minim so mo contribution to your GDP no minim
ena ye say wie ye no kra no allegation na ban ni chese national service no kra no sika bi kra yin share that account for
o de mam nana
no, we're just thinking about
the
you see the amount now boy any
mami really been count we or say we confirm that Portia Dudonina has been awarded a financial scholarship by the Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to study BA Public Health and Community Studies at Coventry University.
Now
ODTA UK. The scholarship commences on February 2021 and will end on February 2022. The scholarship is the scholarship covers Portia Dudonina and her dependents listed above, and it covers all the tuition fees, 15,100 pounds, and living expenses of 12,180 pounds. It also covers her dependents, Joseph Jamena Nikun spouse. Living expenses of 7,605 pounds per annum and 6,000 per
annum every year.
And 6,120 pounds per annum each. Per annum each to Nanaya Inshira Jamena daughter and Arabna Akwatia Jamena daughter.
Yeah.
2021.
na said the walking can you know say the walking can say sa abaywe a friend of Germany
your friend of Porsche do donina
okusia B is
no papa B public health
AB ono kwa ni school fees 15,000 plus pounds
yes
the obedi din so 12,000
yes
owi ani kunu ene ne mamie nu nyina obi ayentua
obi aso ye betua 7,605 and enkwala mienu no be 6,120 pounds ni kunu no be 7,605 na enkwala no mienu na je each 6,120 per annum. Every year. Into only koye course ye do KNUST, ye do UDS, ye do Legonya Masters undergrad. Na all kono ya osi e bi ni kunu ka ho na ono a wokode na ni kunu na timi aka no hye. Na osanso wo ne ma osi ne ma ni susanti no. Ye sanfo ankola ne nka ho. Na scholarship secretariat boss ano Kings Lagman. On there for the Christmas woni de de aban sika yinti o se nkola no so no yensan tua wo mo allowance. Wow se ohun enti enu nie ohun se memo for approval na nie omo air ticket so ohun di no wo ho
Joseph Jamina
so ohun
Gilbert Boa Benchu ai ono so ticket no se dem apart from
omo nie ama omo passport details nie we dey intimi fan chere cameras
yeah hey enti ni kunu no
hwade wa ha ba ko san wa ha o say we confirm that Candy Pelchum Fenin has been awarded a renewal scholarship one MSc cyber security blah 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 na hana ya na ehia me ha no o say the scholarship covers Cindy Pelchum Fenin and her dependents listed above. It covers all the tuition fees of 15,320 pounds. Expenses of 12,260 pounds per annum, living expenses. You know, it also covers her dependents, Kofi Chum Fenin, and no your spouse. Na se nikun, Gerard Nana Kofi Chum Fenin, Neba son, and Queen Shira Safua Chum Fenin, daughter. Living expenses 8,160 pounds each per annum.
Now, per annum just every year, you emphasize 8,000.
And the man,
you
didn't can home because when you scholarship into a burns rono, you won a bush and phone is to be that. Into your funny kun aka home, your funny ma aka home, or when you know, best time or more allowance. Ghana bicycle. Now, one more. Omanya scholarship na ankasa kra no mo we bi kra ye local no yentua omo a eye bilateral na omo allowance ye $230 for a month no yentua obi anya liver problem 2 years nie e wo UK odampa so ntimi usua de biu owu de na ye de sika no ye ni
omo da so Ghana
hwan mo minim ye ni mo where about now we got short courses 2 weeks ya man 10 years visa busam so Ghana check here so aba
anti mo pa mutimi ntresu mu
ko tresi ni wan na na down to a payment vouchers na territory no yetua
na entina se wo che na enye ya
na wo de wo hwe ba ku bia mehu ya mebufu ye kra ba ku bia mehu ya mebufu ye ono na nya ho atwa application the aba secretariat to hwa de or say I write respectfully to seek your kind approval for the purchase of a return air ticket from United Kingdom to Ghana. I am on a spousal scholarship. Beneficiary in the UK, and it has become necessary to travel to Ghana to attend very critical family complications and return to assist my spouse in taking care of their children as she concentrates on her studies. Obia ono ye man scholarship ni bi na yiri na nya scholarship ye try to take it ama omoko but o say family issue asi Ghana enti wa tro letter the aba secretariat to say yen san so twa ticket ma no nti bi mra Ghana emehwe family issue no na yiri no mom de on koso no sua de te de be ya na yiri benya na sumdue na na dwantoa eni o ade na wo say
twa ya twa fa e bopa
ade na say
me course me ye me pesika kura me nya
nana
because we hear calculations na emfa
hwe short courses 2 weeks yetua obi school fees £4,650 check it
how
2 weeks program 4,000 management development for executives 2023
management day
development for executives 2023
now we say with me actually
2 weeks or yetua £4,650
minim your friend is saying
Hilda Afua Aduakon Acheampong
enti yemusan se wode beye den
ene menim
na nti wo kaso wunim na me nti wase na na wo keka ka ne sen
me kan se
wo kan se wunim dia wunim
se short courses no na menim Hilda omukra you see the point is that short courses na e funny program it is a development I was there developing future leaders we try dey say dey
na we say symposium bi no
what you say we was a management development for executives 2023
how they quiet
in fees no training fees £4,650 cost of living allowance £2,000 enti ono nko aye 6,000
mu huya me consultants
ono nko aye 6,000
mu disika
the way your professors intimi nkyere wa ha
there be
management development day executive
Mr.
na multimedia for ya mo kwa mo charge say
nana
na say no anu mo chere wo multimedia
nana we ya ketua
management development
hey na book no so
we opa emodi nipa kro e man award
oh na den ndi emodi
ana na mi mbodi
bodino na bodino
aya na mo to de bia mo pese mo chere se
hwe nana yi we nyina ye spousal take it to ayetuetua
ye no ne ekunu no
oh hwe enie dependent of Porsche Adudo nyina ni take it no 36,000 Gilbert Boabi Chum
after scholarship ni nyina
I we say the omukunu num kwa kan mo until we 63,000
na emu wa na ye
de
we na ye month no mo spell na anye ya na sele okay
beba ebisa wa
na enyansem getu awo
na take it na mu evidence ni
take it na ye twama
any to me metna ha mo mi trim say me twa ntro to obi so that the tickets were actually purchased
enti sadi ekuta mi
ekuro mu hu
na wo de me ba we nu fata kakra na ya wabodin no
because
wo de na hwade wa ha we a second sheet nana ya inshira dwamena obi yire dependent we a Porsche Adudo nyina ba also no so ni take it also no ne ma 2 or 3 so no so ni take it so on bill 28,000 Kofi Tum Fenin ni kunu no 45,000
na so no ya man scholarship ya say twa na busuan fodi wo bro obi nso hia
abra obi so hia bi eno abia sanie
school fees are made to no for school fees kura
enie
na £4,000 yetimi tia for bebre school fees wo Ghana
okay we oti comfort obi yire oti comfort say we dependent on dependent of Frank Kofi Pinto ye na yetwa ticket na ma 34,000 so ena wo ho no do nyina Porsche a ne baba ako ono so 36,000 so
say we yetua dada
oh yetua omo passport e net etitare ho
let's say no the scholarship no the
because you see calculations no okay to say obi there 34,000 no it mitua KNC school fees
enkwada be 100 and 50 credit me
na wo hwe we na me hu ya eno anage me hu ya na me bu afu we ya obi a ya ma scholarship
o say
wakwa kosua de na wie ai wo se nka ya bonde na wo so oba back to Ghana be sum Ghana ono no I apply for letter of no objection ama ya man no objection letter
no objection ne chere
no objection ne chere say wasua de awie e wo so obesum Ghana no wo se wo ma obesum Bruni to obeka UK ho
na wo waja na say ma
enti o ma consent say ka ho emesum Ghana no mu ka say onka ho kra nwie no onu asanya akukoduro ama secretariat no say tua visa processing fee
ode kwan
or they did a graduate route visa atena UK hono yes secretariat na say tuama wono ne ma nana dwantoa sanse munu wei ye ka kire hwan se Ghana aban asponsor se kosua de wo sua de na wie no o se onfa nimde ne mesom Ghana na emu de besom broni secretariat no say okay tena ho na ne visa processing na fi no okotua san de age visa atena UK hono secretariat no asa tua sa sika na ma one ne ma wow any graduate route visa application fees for students dependent in the person of Nana Kwame Osebu so neba 37,000
na sika o
akwala na yini akwala na passport yini
what sports here no we train for waba bako waba
so per residence permit
enti yes tia hu scam ma one ne ma ne kunu how
eni age atum
eni nana janto eni akwala na yini da ho no eni edoso ye time aso
hey say we yo mu there because in some
mama ka sem chero nana
can it tobo can say
you know me too well
now we say ko bi nko 19,000 pounds
nana mama ma news na
15,000 ebi wo betimi atua na wo so ye MP na wo ntimi ntua wo ye minister wo ntimi ntua ye betimi atua
minister we need
minister
we need minister ye need e wo kromo awe minister ye need wo kromo ha di ba na hu scholarship for the need no minister ye need
akwa we nko din die wo de wo bi asende mame ye de beto we mu nyina kwaji bi MP
na wo ye minister cry we be di MP asa ye minister wo ye need I say the Ghana scholarship ma
mutimi nye sika MPs mutimi nye sika etua bribe ma delegates. You are telling me say who nyesi kan koye wo PhD in energy petroleum and mineral o de ne din ma me fan to
na dwantoa na obusa say there na me ya fa no say Richard Osuba na o say chiwo mo
because mo kan say ya na ye
last week tie me last week bia na be chiwo mo
sa
last week bia na e be chi nipa miensa in relation to this
we know
yes. But the entire amount for our news is because they are civil servants.
Okay.
So what I say, they are civil servants.
Yeah.
And I don't want to put them out there. And the investigations no guso. So I want to be eko. So I want to be eko. Obi kura the order from Thursday ekusi Monday.
Na wan ganche.
Bawku demu from Thursday ekusi Monday.
Issue no.
Because e wom de do mu kom fie. Ekohwe yenya official documents e wa manfo fie.
Good news.
Yenya letters a drafter ye de memidi ahya ase abra meminim. Draft letters a amanfo aye de memidi ahya ase a e bia omo tetare ze nko menya letter head anom de atoso.
Wow.
E wa manfo fie. Yenya fuel coupons e be worth 20,000. E wa manfo fie.
That's ye Juma.
It was issued by the secretariat.
At that time.
At the time, Qualifier so could do ho yeni. E bi Bawku e prove stubborn. On fire bien na phone ko fie no. Odo mo call get to be. Enti ono na da mu ma from Thursday e go see Monday no. Na me bokoko say ye nwie because o hwe ade we a because of diplomacy ntina nsem ni bu America me kan wrong. But some bit of organized crime and so no miami pani remo acha subesum. So after BNI no yoko subesum. So you were acquiring to the breed. In fact, wouldn't say I discover say your beneficiaries crown on my word letters no unsigned.
And so award it.
I to your Ghana
but you signed
it was not signed. Your award letters we can only trace photocopies originals you. Your award letters eni e fa so but ni na be cost ama Ghana be tua nana we are just for the short courses and I can confirm say even we have instances institutions ability say bui power mebodi aye a list of nkrofo mo person mo kosua de bui power e de aba say scholarship secretariat was only to facilitate visa processing, but they ended up giving them awards, allocating allowances to them.
Obra na bui power ni betia. But scholarship between the mountain.
Antina say Sikana Buibe Tiana, the ultimate a fan China is a co and Crofobotum. And investigations get to where I may say a Canadian, a Wobusunim. But a car say down a Sikabia Concrofobotum. And Sankrofono, Nana Jantua. Time as soon say, you know, I say a reset agenda and the or say people who have to come and answer questions and they must face the law and be brought to book.
Media, we know a part 1 because many recharge the moment and fatilumne a comma a day. To me, can't me say, so course I'm young because I met me actually for free. Master in development D&D. Na Yama will be quite say on course. Oh, I'm expecting
so testimonies from participants in the exercise or Mako do UK or Caribbean. I am Crophobia or money one and 4 flights free Ghana. Cope conference room be a normal begin or my presentation. Yes, you maybe. Now it will interest you to know, say, company Crown Agents UK. As at 2022, now all for the app. Crown Agent Menoka say it is no more. They folded up.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. I was young Casabi. Say, Wawati, in some people have me make a commentary. Bia Wawati, Meboa. So, Wawati, so on with the echo so. So, who are mine baby echo. Now, maybe the person Metiani say, a best oriano pana as a Fuji, a chinkro for gum. Nay, and sick, you see, can any acquire more fast in Saka. Because you maybe it doesn't make sense.